How to set greeting message for you group. Send, start to your bot, then click Group Setting in the pop-up Start message. Select your group. Now click Greeting. It is currently disabled. Click it to switch to enabled. To turn off the feature, click Enabled to switch back to disabled. Click Greeting Content, where you can configure text, media files, and buttons for your greeting message. Let's set them up one by one. Set text. Reply with your text. Text updated successfully. Set media. Select images, videos, or files. Media updated successfully. Set button. Enter the content according to the format in the prompt. You can also directly copy the example, then send it after editing. Button updated successfully. After completing the above configurations, click here to preview this message. Click Back. Auto delete. Once enabled, the greeting messages sent to new members will be automatically deleted according to the set time. Click No to enable this feature. Select the time. To disable the feature, just click Yes. This feature automatically sends a greeting message to new members joining the group. Please note, if the capture feature is enabled, greeting messages will only be sent after new members pass the capture test.